Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here I have my nails already and set to go, so that means I filed and buffed them to how I want them. And then after they look like this, you're gonna clean them up with some alcohol and get ready to start. And so next we're gonna go in with this base gel by Beetles, and you're gonna apply this to every nail except for that one that we took away, or that I took away. I'm gonna leave that out for last. But make sure you guys get the tip of the nail as well, because a lot of people forget that step and it causes like the whole work you do to left. And then once you're done with this step, you're gonna cure this for about 60 to 90 seconds. And then next we're gonna go in with a top gel, and it's by the same brand, it's by Beetles. And I will be applying this on every nail as well. And get the tip, don't forget the tip of the nail. And this one we cure for about 120 seconds, okay? Next, we're gonna go in with this nail art foil glue by Beetles, and then using these tip guides as well. Oh, these things are amazing. So I apply the tip guides where I feel is gonna look nice. You can do it wherever you want. And then on the thumbnail, which has nothing on it, I'm gonna go completely all foil glue, and then the other nails you're gonna apply the foil glue underneath the guide. And then you cure this, oh my god, for about 60 seconds. And after you cure it, you're gonna go ahead and apply the foil. This is so pretty. I got this foil from eBay. I will link down below the seller's information for you guys. But this part can be a little tedious at times. You have to like peel it slowly and see where you're missing spots and everything like that to get everything like even. So you can see I went back and forth. Same thing with the other nails. I love foil glues, you guys. I mean, not foil glues. I love foils, and it's an easier way than to just doing the designs yourself by hand. It's an easier, quicker way to get something nice. And then I just take the guides off, and as you can see here, I'm applying the last one, I believe. And then after this, you are going to apply a top coat on all the nails. Isn't that so pretty? And there I am applying the top coat to all the nails. And make sure you guys get the tip, okay? Because I get a lot of people asking if my stuff lifts, and I don't have that problem because I do always get the tip with every different thing that I'm using, whether it's a base coat, a top coat, anything. Now make sure you cure for 120 seconds. Now going in with the Sinful Colors nail polish, this is in the shade Mint Apple. Oh my god, guys, this color is so beautiful. I love this green. It's so beautiful. It's definitely like a fall color, and I do go in I think with 2 coats of this color. Just set that aside to dry, and on to the next step, which is decal stickers. These I got off of eBay, and I'm just gonna apply these on there. You know, you guys pick whatever pattern you guys want to use, however you want to apply them. Either way, they're gonna look really nice. These are very easy to use. You just peel off of the paper, stick it onto the nail, and so on and so forth. So I do this to all the nails. And on this one, obviously, I only apply it to where the color is. The rest of the nail is bare. But yes, after all these get put on, I do go in with a top coat to go over so the decals don't move. And I'm using a matte gel top coat. And there I am applying it to the whole nail, including the tip, you guys. Don't forget the tip of the nail. I'm sorry if I keep saying this, but I just wanted to remind you. I get a lot of people that ask that, and not that ask that, but that ask if my, colors lift or whatever, and they don't. And I'm not a professional nail tech, you guys. This is just me doing my own press-on nails. So on the other nail that I did not apply anything to, I'm applying a base coat to it. I had set this one aside as well. And then I cure that for about 60 to 90 seconds. And now I'm going in with this gel polish by Beetles in the number 281. This is a beautiful purple, you guys. I love this color. I've used it quite a lot. And it's one of their neon colors. So I apply 2 coats of this, and I cure in between 60 seconds. And then after I'm done and I feel like I got the right amount of layers, I apply a top coat. And once you're done with this, after applying some to the tip, you're gonna cure it for about 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna go in using this nail powder, and this gives it like an iridescent look with a little bit of color. It's actually really pretty. It's still on the purple side, like when you apply it, it has like purple, little iridescent looking. It's very pretty. I went with this one first, but then I felt like, you know, it wasn't good enough. So I did apply a top coat after I dust everything off, and I cure it for about 60 seconds again. And I'm going in with this powder by Born Pretty, and I just labeled it number 1. This one is really pretty. I really love this powder. I was trying to be different and use a different powder, but I just this powder is so much better, so much prettier. You guys are gonna see. So I just dab it on like I did earlier, and then I start rubbing it in so that, you know, the color looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, such a pretty color, such a pretty finish. And this one is more like on the holographic-y side. And then I apply a top coat once more, and I cure this for 120 seconds this time around. Now moving back to that green nail, I'm applying a top coat because it did dry already. It dried really nicely, and I cure it, and then I apply another coat, and I cure in between 120 seconds, you guys. Now going back to the decal stickers, I am grabbing that nail with the powders that I use. So pretty. After I cured, and I applied the Louis Vuitton decal. Now I'm going into little rhinestones, and these are green. I used this bling adhesive by Zule, which is amazing. This bling adhesive, oh my god, guys. So there I am applying the gems or the rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. You can apply these in whatever order you like. I don't know, I'm obsessed with like making like little crowns or like on that part of the nail. It just looks so pretty and very elegant. But yeah, this is all I do, nothing special. Like I said, I'm not a professional. Once again, I am going into this pack of crystals that I have. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm just gonna apply regular colored ones, the clear crystals. And as you see, I'm forming kind of like a crown. This is so beautiful, like the finish look of my nails. I can't wait till you guys see it. Like, I'm obsessing. But this adhesive, I'm sorry, I did get it off of a different website. It wasn't off of Amazon, and it's not off of eBay, so I will have to link that down below for you guys as well. Quick shout out to the nail tech who gave me the info on this adhesive. youarethebomb.com. And so next I'm gonna go in with a nail gel resin. This helps the rhinestones or the glue that you use dry out quicker. And then I'm going into my little wheel of studs, and I'm just applying some studs to the nails because I thought it would look so good. And then I use a heart one on that nail where I just did the whole like Louis Vuitton name. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh, and this little thing here, I got this off of Amazon. It was like a kit, I think, of 6 of them. And it has like gems and rocks and little stones or crystals. I don't know. It just has like a lot of different things that you can use for nails. And I don't know, I was in love with like the little rocks, and I just started applying it to the nail, and it really looked so good. So I just kept going with it. Applying this is a little bit of a pain in the butt, just to let you know. But once it's on, I saw this little thing that looks like a little frame, and I just applied it and angled it so it looks like a diamond shape. Oh, it was beautiful. Now I'm applying a top coat to all the nails, and I'm doing this around the studs and around the crystals. Just don't get it on the crystals. I got a lot of shit for that in a video that I did, one of my first videos that I did press on nails. I'm not a nail tech, people. But anyways, you're gonna go around everything and very, very careful. And yeah, Oh my God, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this nail was a little tough, but I got it. Just be very careful, and if you get it on a stud or anything, just wipe it with your finger. It was a little hard, but I got it. Now I'm gonna go in with a mattifying top coat. I want to mattify these nails, and I'm only applying the mattifying top coat to 3 nails. So I'm sorry if you hear whining in the background. That's my son Lucas. He's just all about me today. And then you're gonna cure this for 120 seconds. And oh my God, guys, this is the end result. Look at the nails, look how beautiful they look. So yeah, guys, this is it. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Because if you don't, then you won't get notified. But yeah, I forgot to do a clip with my nails on. So here is a little boomerang from my Instagram. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.